Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Want to install apps from your App Store, but you get the option where you have to double press the power button? In this video, I will show you how to disable this feature. Let's go. The very first thing to do is to open Settings on iPhone. Scroll down to find the Screen Time option. Then go to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Choose iTunes and App Store purchases. And set the password to Always Require. This will prompt you to enter an Apple ID password whenever you want to install apps, effectively disabling double-click to open. Another thing, go back to the main settings page, and then find the Face ID and passcode. Open it by entering your passcode. And turn off the iTunes and App Store options right here. After these two steps, they should get rid of that double-click to install option. Open your App Store and try to install an application. Click on Get, and it will always ask you to enter an Apple ID password. You will notice that there won't be a double-click to install option.
That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or other problems with your Apple device, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.